Hello everybody, this is Peyton, and I'm going to show the test mode for the Idog Mini. It's pretty much the same for the pups. The only difference is once you reach the last sound, it will let you go back to the beginning. On the Mini, it doesn't. So, you hold down all of the Idog pup, or all the Idogs with only one button, like the pups, the clip, the soft speaker, all have similar test modes. Although I don't have any of those. I want to get one of those because I think there's more than what other people have shown on video. Because I've noticed that there's a little bit of delay between when you press the nose and when you, like whenever it plays the sound. So there might be a double click, something that happens when you double click, and you might be able to hold the button to get to different modes. So somebody would have to try that on the clip or the soft speaker. But anyway, so you hold the reset button in the nose, let go of the reset, keep the nose down for a second or two, then press the nose 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and hold it on the 4th one. Okay. So now, depending on which one you have, you'll see any of the 4 lights on the sides light up. So this is the silver Idog Mini that plays the hip hop music. So it lights up the top right. I can't remember what all the lights are. But if you press the nose button from here, this is just the first part. You hold the nose to go through each part of the test mode. So the first part shows the light, and if you press the nose, it beeps. And if you hold the nose, it'll go through the sound test. You can press the nose to go through them. There's no way to go back or repeat a sound or anything. I think this is the only Idog to have more than one sick sound. See, it won't let you go back to the beginning. The pups do. I don't have any of the pups. So the next part, I'll do the light animations. It also does sounds as well, because those have light animations as well, with them. But it only does 1 per mood. For each of the moods, it only does 1. Oh, only 1 sick sound as well. Okay. So then the next one is the light test. So it starts off with all the outer lights, and then red in the middle, then green in the middle, then it goes back to all of them in red, then kind of orange, so full red and full green, I think full green and a little bit of red to make yellow, and then all the way green, and then it goes back to the beginning. This one is the only mode that actually continuously loops. Okay. Then the next one is the motor test. So if you press it once, it plays at it moves it at the slower speed. And then if you press it again, it will actually test the position sensor. It stops it when it hits the point where it's supposed to stop, or where it senses that the head's moving. So, oops. It stops right there. And if you press it again, it plays a little bit, or moves a little bit faster. And then it stops. It only has 2 speeds. So there's the slower one There's a fast one. And if we hold it again, the last mode is the microphone test. So if it senses any kind of sound, the lights pop up on the face. And then if I hold the button again, it will go back to normal. So now let's go to the other one, the life check or whatever that's called. That one. The other ones probably have this as well, but instead of just doing it 4 times, you do it 6 times and hold on the 6th one. Okay, so now it's going to play through this. It stops for a minute, and it's pretty much the same as the 2005 had, where it will just play continuously until you stop it, but the motor and the sound and light animations are all on different times, so maybe it's just testing like the built-in timer, I don't know. Because see, the motor started a lot later than it did on the last time it did it. So all of each thing is on a separate timer that is slightly out of sync. So it'll keep doing this until you press the nose to turn it off. And for some reason, it doesn't actually turn on. That's another thing that I almost forgot about. I want to mention in this video is if you're in the test mode or you do the wrong sequence or you hold the button when you're not supposed to hold it, it turns off, but it's not really, it's I don't know, it's almost like shutting down your computer instead of putting it to sleep mode. Turning it off normally from the normal mode would be like putting it to sleep, and letting it turn off this way is sort of completely shutting it down, because if I press the nose now, it takes a minute to turn on. It's almost like there's no batteries in it right now. And if I press the nose, it's going to completely restart or turn on. And I can actually get to the test mode again without doing anything. Like without hitting the reset button, I can just hold the nose for a second or two, and then do the test mode sequence again. And turn it off. So, yeah, that is the Idog mini test mode. So, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.